It's Monday. It's been a while, but I'm back off holes. It's Barkspeed time. Run VT, Errol. Welcome back, guys. It is Monday. Been away for a few weeks and got some spare time to come down, do a bit more on the doors. Last time we had a hell of a job. They came over and they were almost like Raptor paint when they were painted. So hopefully I've rubbed them down and I'm going to do a little bit more painting. Wish me luck. I'm going to mix up some paint. Now, these are mixing cups, and on these they have ratios all the way around the outside. I am mixing 2 to 1. So my colour is 2 and my hardener is 1, and then I finish it off with 10% worth of thinners. So I look for the 2 to 1 on here, which is, I believe, that's 4 to 1. Two to 1. This one here. Okay, and then I always sort of mark it. So I'm going to mix this much up and just blow it in. 2 to 1. All right. So I get my paint. This is my paint. So I'm going to put this into there. There we go. I'm mixing up as much as I need for one door at a time, and the reason being is because we have we've sort of eaten through loads and loads of paint, and it sort of wasted it. So this way I'm just going to mix up exactly what I need for the job, and then we'll see what happens. So the next one is this one, hardener, which is here. Here's my hardener, and then a little bit of this. About that much. Right, so this is my paint. I now got to mix this with this. Okay, so that's the panel cleaned, all the grubby mess off. Now it's ready for a bit of paint. here's where I think there's an issue. So what I've done is I've thought the gun didn't sound right, so I'll swap to the bigger gun and see if that makes a difference. So here I am swapping between the guns just to see if it makes a difference. You can already see it's going on much better, covering it properly. So hello. Right, so yesterday painted that slightly orange peely, very shiny but slightly orange peely. So off to Lenny Brooks, the paint merchants, I go and I buy one of these. Saw it on the internet and I've set this gun now at 20 psi when it's on full chat. 20 psi. That's what the gun should be putting out to paint. The guy seems to think it's gone on a little bit thick and also too much air, which is giving the orange peel effect. So on to door number 2. Check this out. Bit of panel wipe just to clean it over, and then on to doing a bit of painting.
That's a lot better. It's a lot better. So that's 20% thinners, making the paint a little bit thinner. And it's now starting to get very shiny, you can see that. So the as the paint's curing, you can see it's coming on. It's quite good. It's quite good. I like that. I like that a lot. Apologies for the muffled, but I'm in the garage and obviously I've just painted that, and I just painted that as well. I'm going to do a little bit of wall art there. I'm going to do a picture of a mini on there, I think, but that's another day. Hopefully you can hear me, and yeah, that looks all right. So I'm going to go and do my next job now. See, look, you can see me in it, so it's drying all right. It's getting shiny. I'll be back later on. See you then.
Right, as you can see, it's getting shinier and shinier by the minute. We're about 25 minutes, half an hour past the last check-in. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's a trial and error thing, really. I've never painted a car before, so this is obviously me learning and documenting it, so that the more that I paint, the better I become at it. But for now, anyway, another short video. We're coming down here midweek next time. So for now, it's thanks and see you then. Cheers. Thanks for watching.